Hello dear fans. How to find the height of a trapezoid if the area is known. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral in which two of its four sides are parallel to each other. Parallel sides are the bases of this trapezoid, the other two are the sides of this trapezoid. Finding the height of the trapezoid, if its area is known, will be very easy. Instructions. Step 1. You need to figure out how you can calculate the area of the original trapezoid. There are several formulas for this, depending on the initial data. S equals A plus B asterisk H slash 2, where A and B are the lengths of the bases of the trapezoid, and H is its height. The height of the trapezoid is the perpendicular dropped from one base trapezoid to another. S equals M asterisk H, where M is the middle line of the trapezoid. The middle line is a segment parallel to the bases of the trapezoid and connecting the midpoints of its lateral sides. Step 2. Now, knowing the formulas for calculating the area of a trapezoid, you can derive new ones from them, to find the height of the trapezoid. H equals 2 asterisk S / A plus B, H equals S / M. Step 3. In order to make it clearer how to solve such problems, you can consider examples. Example 1, given a trapezoid, whose area is 68 square centimeters, the average line of which is 8 centimeters, you need to find the height of this trapezoid. In order to solve this problem, you need to use the previously derived formula. H equals 68/8 equals 8.5 centimeters. Answer. The height of this trapezoid is 8.5 centimeters. Example 2. Let the area of the trapezoid is 120 square centimeters. The lengths of the bases of this trapezoid are 8 centimeters and 12 centimeters, respectively. You need to find the height of this trapezoid. To do this, you need to apply one of the derived formulas. H equals 2 by 120 / 8 plus 12 equals 240 divided by 20 is equal to 12 cm. Answer. The height of the given trapezoid is 12 centimeters. Thanks for watching.